We both went on exchange to Aarhus School of Architecture in Denmark.
I went on exchange to the University of Pennsylvania.
I went on exchange in Madrid and I studied at the Universidad Carlos III de Madrid. I chose Singapore and I went to the National University of Singapore.
So I went to the University of Western Ontario in Canada.
I went to the University of Edinburgh.
I went to France.
We really loved Aarhus, and it was one of the universities that our unit coordinators and program directors actually recommended to us.
How I chose the country was essentially English speaking and also the travel opportunities that laid ahead of me.
I chose Spain because I wanted to learn Spanish because I was actually already learning Spanish at the University of Sydney.
My dad's family is from Scotland, so I really wanted a chance to sort of get to know where his family was from.
Favourite memory? It's a hard question, there's so many.
A lot of my favourite memories aren't even actually in Spain. It's just travelling around Europe. My best memory during exchange will be the food and people.
The students there, they were very lovely and very accommodating to all of us.
I think I learned that I am more resilient than I thought I was.
I would say just go for it because it's a perfect chance for you to explore the world and learn more about different culture. Google Translate is a very valuable tool when you travel overseas.
If you ever go to a country that you don't really speak their language, just use image. It's better than a translation.
I don't actually wish I knew anything before leaving on exchange. That was part of the fun, just going into a new environment and not knowing what to expect.
My number one advice is to do your research but also be very open. There'll be challenges definitely, but there'll also be great things that you weren't expecting to happen.